Here are the items that come inside of the box. This is just how it looks, or should look, similar to this inside of the box. And also it has a little diagram in there showing you how to use it. But it's fairly simple, so I'm going to do a video later of me changing one of my brake calipers and how it should be done. But I haven't yet found a set of brakes that I want yet. So until then, I'll keep you guys posted. Good afternoon. Here's a little kit I bought off of Amazon. It's called 8 Mile Lake Brake Caliper Kit. It's a tool set. It's made in China. I probably spent about 20 bucks or so. I'm gonna unbox it here. Put these scissors now. Slide it out. It's kind of heavy for a small little box. I'm going to put the link in the description and the price and how much it costs. 8 Mile Lake brake caliper tool set. So open it up, see what's in there. Oh, some of the parts got jostled around. I'm guessing that goes right there. I'm guessing this goes here. And when you're touching it, it has like, I guess this is metal dust. I don't know. Seems like it might have been used before, but as long as all the parts are there and nothing's like worn out or bent, should be good. It's there. Oh, that doesn't even fit there. Alright, let's move this one around. That one fits there. That one fits there. And this one goes there. And here's a little description box.